Hinduism is the world's oldest religion, according to many scholars, with roots and custom dating back more than 4,000 years. Today, with about 900 million followers, Hinduism is the third largest religion behind Christianity and Islam. Roughly 95% of the world's Hindus live in India. Because of the religion has no specific founder, it's difficult to trace its origins and history. Hinduism is unique in that it's not a single religion, but a compilation of many traditions and philosophies. Hinduism beliefs. Some basic Hindu concepts include: Hinduism embraces many religious ideas. For this reason, it's sometimes referred to as a way of life or a family of religions, as opposed to a single organized religion. Most forms of Hinduism are enotheistic, which means they worship a single deity, known as Brahman, but still recognize other gods and goddesses. Followers believe there are multiple paths to reaching their God. Hindus believe in the doctrines of samsara, the continuous cycle of life, death, and reincarnation, and karma, the universal law of cause and effect. One of the key thoughts of Hinduism is Atman, or the belief in soul. This philosophy holds that living creatures have a soul, and they are part of the Supreme Soul. The goal is to achieve moksha, or salvation, which ends the cycle of rebirth to become part of the Absolute Soul. One fundamental principle of the religion is the idea that people's actions and thoughts directly determine their current life and future lives. Hindus strive to achieve Brahma, which is a god of living that emphasizes good conduct and morality. Hindus revere all living creatures and consider the cow a sacred animal. Food is an important part of life for Hindus. Most don't eat beef or pork, and many are vegetarian. Hinduism is closely related to other Indian religions, including Buddhism, Sikhism, and Jainism. Hinduism symbols. There are two primary symbols associated with Hinduism, the Om and the Swastika. The word swastika means good fortune or being happy in Sanskrit, and the symbol represents good luck. A diagonal version of the swastika later became associated with Germany's Nazi Party when they made it their symbol in year 1920. The Om symbol is composed of three Sanskrit letters and represents three sounds, A, U, and M, which when combined are considered a song sound. The Om symbol is often found at family shrines and in Hindu temples. Hinduism holy books. Hindus value many sacred writings as opposed to one holy book. The primary sacred texts, known as the Vedas, were composed around 1500 BC. This collection of verses and hymns was written in Sanskrit and contains revelation received by ancient saints and sages. The Vedas are made of the Rig Veda, the Sama Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda, Hindus believe that the Vedas transcend all time and don't have a beginning or an end. The Upanishads, the Bhagavad Gita, 18 Puranas, Ramayana, and Mahabharata are also considered important texts in Hinduism. Origins of Hinduism. Most scholars believe Hinduism started somewhere between 2300 BC and 1500 BC in the Indus Valley, near modern-day Pakistan. But many Hindus argue that their faith is timeless and has always existed. Unlike other religions, Hinduism has no one founder, but is instead a fusion of various beliefs. Around 1500 BC, the Indo-Aryan people migrated to the Indus Valley, and their language and cultures blended with that of the indigenous people living in the region. There's some debate over who influenced whom more during this time. The period when the Vedas were composed became known as the Vedic period and lasted from about 1500 BC to 500 BC. Rituals such as sacrifices and chanting were common in the Vedic period. The epic, Puranic, and classic periods took place between 500 BC and 500 AD. Hindus began to emphasize the worship of deities, especially Vishnu, Shiva, and Devi. The concept of Dharma was introduced in New Texts, and other faiths such as Buddhism and Jainism spread rapidly. Hinduism versus Buddhism. Hinduism and Buddhism have many similarities. Buddhism, in fact, arose out of Hinduism, and both believe in reincarnation, karma, and that the life of devotion and honor is a path to salvation and enlightenment. But some key differences exist between the two religions. Buddhism rejects the caste system of Hinduism and does away with the rituals. The priesthood and the gods are integral to the Hindu faith. Medieval and modern Hindu history. The medieval period of Hinduism lasted from about 500 to 1500 AD. New texts emerged, and the poet saints recorded their spiritual sentiments during this time. In the 7th century, Muslim Arabs began invading areas in India during parts of the Muslim period, which lasted from about 1200 to 1757. Islamic rulers prevented Hindus from worshipping their deities, and some temples were destroyed. Mahatma Gandhi, between 1757 and 1947, the British controlled India. At first, the new rulers allowed Hindus to practice their religions without interference, but later missionaries sought to convert and Westernize the people. Many reformers emerged during the British period. The well-known politician and peace activist Mahatma Gandhi, led a movement that pushed for India's independence. The partition of India occurred in year 1947, and Gandhi was assassinated in year 1948. British India was split into what they are now the independent nation of India and Pakistan, and Hinduism became the major religion of India. Starting in the year 1960s, many Hindus migrated to North America and Britain, spreading their faith and philosophies to the Western world. Hindu gods. Hindus worship many gods and goddesses, in addition to Brahman, who is believed to be supreme god, first present in all things. Some of the most prominent deities include Brahma, the god responsible for the creation of the world and all living things. Vishnu, the god that preserves and protects the universe. Shiva, the god that destroyed the universe in order to recreate it. Devi, the goddess that fights to restore Dharma. Krishna, the god of compassion, tenderness, and love. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and purity. Saraswati, the goddess of learning. Hindu places of worship. Hindu worship, which is known as puja, typically takes place in the mandir temple. Followers of Hinduism can visit the mandir anytime they please. Hindus can also worship at home, and many have a special shrine dedicated to a certain gods and goddesses. The giving of offerings is an important part of Hindu worship. It's a common practice to present gifts such as flowers or oils to a god or goddess. Additionally, many Hindus take pilgrimage to the temples and other sacred sites in India. Sects of Hinduism. Hinduism has many sects and is sometimes divided into following: Shaivism, followers of Shiva; Vaishnava, followers of Vishnu; Shaktism, followers of Devi; Smarta, followers of Brahman and all major deities. Some Hindus elevate the Hindu Trinity, which consists of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Others believe that all deities are a manifestation of one. Hindu caste system. The caste system is a social hierarchy in India that divides Hindus based on their karma and dharma. Many scholars believe the system dates back more than 3,000 years. The four main castes in other prominence include Brahmin, the intellectual and spiritual leaders; Kshatriyas, the protectors and public servants of society; Vaisyas, the skillful producer; Sudras, the unskilled laborers. Many subcategories also exist within each case. The untouchable are the class of citizens that are outside of the caste system and considered to be in the lowest level of the social hierarchy. For centuries, the caste system determined every aspect of a person's social, professional, and religious status in India. When India became an independent nation, its condition banned discrimination based on caste. Today, the caste system still exists in India, but is loosely followed. Many of the old customs are overlooked, but some traditions, such as only marrying within specific castes, are still in place. Hindu holidays. Hindus observe numerous solstice holidays and festivals. Some of the most well-known include Diwali, the festival of lights; Navaratri, a celebration of the fertility and harvest; Holi, a spring festival; Krishna Janmashtami, a tribute to Krishna's birthday; Raksha Bandhan, a celebration of the bond between brother and sister; Mahashivaratri, the great festival of Shiva. Sources: Histories of Hinduism, BBC; Hinduism Fast Fact, CNN; One of the Basic Beliefs of Hinduism, Smithsonian Institution; Hinduism, the world's third largest religion, religiostolerance.org; Samsara Hinduism, Berkeley Center for Religion, Peace and World Affairs at the Georgetown University. Hinduism by History.com